Pink salt trick for weight loss. Pink salt to lose belly fat. Stop wasting water. Most people drink it wrong, and it's secretly keeping their belly fat stuck. But one tiny trick with pink salt can boost metabolism, reduce bloating, and help your body burn fat faster. No fancy supplements needed. Staying hydrated is key, but plain water can actually slow weight loss if your electrolytes are off. Pink salt fixes this. Today, I'll show you the exact way to use it to shrink belly fat safely, and why most people do it wrong. Most people think losing belly fat is just about eating less and exercising more, but that's only half the story. If your hormones, digestion, hydration, or mineral levels are off, even a perfect diet can leave you bloated, tired, and frustrated. That's exactly why this pink salt trick works. It tackles the problem from multiple angles. Before we dive in, hit like if you want science-backed fat loss tricks, and stay tuned to learn the timing and dosage most people totally get wrong. Why pink salt works. Himalayan pink salt contains over 80 minerals, including magnesium, potassium, and calcium. These minerals help regulate your body's water balance, reduce bloating, and improve digestion. Magnesium, in particular, is crucial because it relaxes your muscles, including your digestive tract, which can help reduce constipation and bloating. Another key factor is sodium. Now, I know sodium gets a bad reputation, but your body actually needs it to burn fat efficiently. Without enough sodium, your thyroid function can drop, slowing your metabolism. Pink salt provides natural sodium along with trace minerals, unlike regular table salt, which is mostly just sodium, with no added benefits. How to use the pink salt trick. Here's the step-by-step method that I recommend. 1. Morning drink. Start your day with 1 cup, around 250 milliliters, of warm water with 1/4 teaspoon of pink salt. Stir it until fully dissolved. Drinking it warm helps kickstart your metabolism and wakes up your digestive system. 2. Midday. Hydration. If you drink water throughout the day, add just a tiny pinch of pink salt to your bottle. Don't overdo it. 1/8 teaspoon per 500 milliliters is enough. This keeps your electrolyte balance steady, preventing cravings and fatigue. 3. Evening support. About an hour before dinner, you can drink another small glass of water with a pinch of pink salt. This helps your body digest food more efficiently and reduces bloating after meals. Tips to maximize results. Pair pink salt water with a high-fiber breakfast, like oatmeal or a green smoothie. Don't drink large amounts of plain water at once. Sip small amounts throughout the day to absorb minerals better. Before exercise, add a tiny pinch of pink salt to your water to prevent cramps, stay hydrated, and boost fat burn. Imagine waking up lighter, less bloated, and energized, without changing your diet. Here's the kicker. Most people think salt makes you fat, but this trick does the opposite. Follow it, and your belly bloating shrinks, digestion improves, and your metabolism gets a boost. And yes, there's a science-backed reason for every step I just mentioned. The secret most people miss? Timing. The effectiveness of pink salt depends on when and how you consume it. If you drink it all at once at random times, your body won't absorb the minerals efficiently, and the fat-burning benefits are minimal. The routine I shared, the morning, midday, and evening sips, aligns with your body's natural rhythm. Morning. Wakes up digestion and metabolism. Midday. Balances electrolytes, reduces cravings. Evening. Supports digestion, prevents bloating, improves sleep. When combined with a balanced diet and light exercise, this small adjustment can help you see noticeable results in a few weeks. People often report a flatter stomach, more energy, and reduced bloating when they follow this consistently. Pink salt isn't magic, but it supports weight loss in multiple ways. Better hydration, smoother digestion, faster metabolism, and even improved sleep. Use it right, and a tiny daily habit can make a huge difference. Your belly fat doesn't stand a chance when you start this routine. Try this pink salt routine today and notice less bloating, more energy, and a flatter belly. Share it with someone struggling with stubborn fat and subscribe for more simple, effective tricks that actually make a difference in your belly fat.